going to show us how she does her washing with her little Tikes washing machine. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
Alright, Zin, you can start. What are we washing first? Oh, she's putting in her liquid first.
Yeah.
Okay. What clothes are we washing?
I think the towel.
You're going to wash the towels, okay. Ooh. Ooh. I was like, ooh. Ooh. In goes the towel. Oh, she's folded her towel. Okay. She's making it nice and neat. If that was me, I'd chuck all my washing in the washing machine.
I think
Tania's going to do it all nicely.
that's why if your washing falls out.
Why my washing falls out? Because I just...
Because you just chuck it in.
okay.
You just have to
I think I have to fold my washing from
fold it. Then...
Is that what you did? Oh, okay. Turn it on. Wow, there it goes.
We're getting closer.
Washing, washing, washing. What's spinning out? Ooh, there it goes. There it goes. Quite a big machine, isn't it? Oh, slowing down. Oh, there goes the liquid. It's finished! Yay!
Now it's time for the clothes.
Oh, she's getting the towels out. You gonna wash the clothes too?
Yes.
Well, well, well.
This is the basket for the clothes.
That's where you're gonna collect the clothes in when you're finished. What we're washing next?
Get it ready.
What we got? We got
T-shirt.
a t-shirt.
Look. Another t-shirt.
T-shirt.
Green socks.
Some cheesy socks. Okay, here goes the washing. Round 2. Are you looking for the detergent yet? Oh, no more visiting the laundrette. We're washing right here at home. And it's off. There she goes. Yay! Help fill them with water. This is the actual washer dryer one. They've actually got a washer dryer. Yay! Alright, Tilly. Yes. Alright. Very easy to put together. Well. Yeah, it's finished. Nice, clean gloves. Thank you very much, Xuxiao, for your demonstration. So, I guess we'll see you later. Bye.